The date, August 4th, 2009. We've been on the journey now approximately 1 year, 56 days. We have not seen a soul. 67 of the crew died.
We have to go into Lodge of Dynamite next year.
We couldn't get a boat in here until next July, unfortunately. We'll be back for them. We're seeking now one of the last stages of our quest in this part of the country, and we are not close to finding it. We have seen some interesting sights.
Well, let's run to the canopy here.
There we go. Uh-oh. If this video goes out, please refer to the other video logs.
Start 8.
And we will give you an idea of the territory that we are in. If I can zoom. Does this zoom in the video mode?
No, it doesn't. There's a little muskrat over there.
Oh, yeah.
See it?
Yeah. You know, I've...
Making its way a little merrily along the bank.
We are just below the Kinzu Dam. Ooh. I think we might have to turn around. I don't know.
Yeah,
We've never gone down this way before. Okay, well, that's all the video we can do for now.
You might need your elbow grease there to fix it.
Yes. Alright, signing off for now.